know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought might never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Well, look down upon me, Jesus, I want to make one more stand. You gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I just can't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought might never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Walking my mind through an easy time with my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows gonna turn your head around. Well, that was the time when the telephone line talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought might never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought might never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. I thought I'd see you one more time again. Well, there's good things coming my way this time around. Well, there's good things this time, fire and rain.